In the coldest village on Earth, eyelashes freeze, frostbite is a constant threat, everything is eaten either frozen or raw, and temperatures can drop to as low as negative 96 degrees. To the average person, this is no way of life, but to the nomads, this is everything. In Achaemenid, Siberia, this is known as the coldest permanently inhabited place on Earth. And it has an average of negative 54 degrees, and the ground is in a constant state of permafrost. Now, to the nomads, reindeer are a way of life. Nomads are known as the reindeer herders of the tundra, and many have been known to commit suicide if their reindeer herd dies. If a reindeer herd dies, many nomads have to travel by foot into reindeer slaughterhouses to find work just to make ends meet for their family. This takes a toll on the nomads because they have grown up taking care of these reindeer their whole life. Every part of the reindeer is used when it is killed, whether that be for clothing, food, or chums, which is the shelters that the nomads live in. Here in Achaemenid, everything freezes. Their local diet consists of mainly fish or reindeer meat, which is eaten frozen and shaved unless it is eaten raw immediately after a kill. Cars are kept running to keep the batteries from dying, and even vodka would freeze if it was left outside in a bottle. They have a ceremony known as the Lord of Frost, and this happens in March, where even the shortest days of the year consist of 21-hour-long nights. Here, it is hosted to invite the world into the frigid domain, and there are reindeer races, dog sledding, and other merriment to just enjoy each other during this time. So despite the temperature, water doesn't freeze. Achaemenid means unfrozen river, or the place where fish spend the winter. It is due to this that the nomads have a steady supply of food, and I'm not sure why the water doesn't freeze, but it just doesn't. Nomads live in chums, and chums are teepee-like structures that are made with sticks or long poles, wooden floors, and are covered in reindeer hide. Fires can be lit inside the chums, but only for a short amount of time, and it only gets inside a couple degrees warmer than the outside. They are made to be easily taken apart and put together because nomads are known for migrating. Migration takes place because the nomads have to travel to find a constant new supply of food for their reindeer. But wherever they settle, there has to be cell reception, because once the children get to the age of 7, they are sent to a boarding school. So the parents have to be able to keep in touch with their kids. So they're not going to settle anywhere that there isn't service. They're constantly on the move. They dress up and wear special garments, and even their reindeer have special harnesses and bells that they wear, and they decorate their sled with the color red to signify their migration. The nomads also have culture and gender roles. For instance, men are herders, and women are to take care of the house, cook, take care of the children, and find wood. Women are not allowed to step over ropes, lassos, sleds, or anything like that, as it brings misfortune to the family. Like, for instance, if she were to step over the lasso, the men would not be able to catch another reindeer because of this. Now, children are seen as innocent and can do anything. It is only when girls reach puberty that this takes place. So with all of this, the nomads live in freedom and simplicity, and even with this lifestyle, they are very happy. I've learned that from this whole video that we complain way too much about small instances in our everyday life. These nomads go through hardships that we couldn't even imagine, and through it all, they stay close to nature and they stay close to their family. They're very happy living in simplicity and being able to travel the tundra alongside their reindeer.